So hey guys, we're out in the woods and we're having some fun. So I wanted to do a quick review on the Filson, this packer hat. And this is their tin cloth material. And I've had this hat for, man, I don't even know, 15 years, something like that. At least 15 years I've had this hat. And it's awesome. The only problem is it's like ½ inch too small. So either my head over the last 15 years has gotten fatter, which is probably the case. I think heads get fat as you get fat, I get fat. Not you, but me, you know what I mean, right? Anyhow, so when I cut my hair, then it fits a little bit better. So anyhow, I can tell it's time for a haircut when my hat's a little tight. So a couple things about this hat. This is the wax canvas material. I love everything about the hat. It's really firm, and during downpour rain, the hat doesn't flop around. So I've got several outdoor research, and I don't want to even say bad things about outdoor research because I think you guys know I'm a big fan. Love the stuff made in Seattle, like the Filson. But the Seattle sombrero, very nice. The Snoqualmie, is it the Snoqualmie hat, something like that? Anyways, you guys know what I'm talking about. The Gore-Tex water, they look like this, but they're Gore-Tex, right? They're great, they're lightweight, great for hiking, put it on. The only problem is during any kind of wind, they flop around. And I wear glasses 24/7, so I want something to protect the glasses, keep the rain out of my face, versus the Seattle sombrero where it's doing one of these kind of things, right? So once this gets on your head, it's not coming off. Another thing that I think is kind of cool is you're at a sporting event, you're out on a nature hike, you're out watching the sunrise, the sunset, wind starts blowing. It has built-in earmuffs, and they're made of wool, right? You gotta love that. So this is all 100% wool here. It's got a little bit of a spandexy right here. So I can put this on, and now I've got full earmuffs and a little bit of neck protection. So if you can kind of see what we got going on there, right? That's a nice feature. I would say the only dislike about a hat like this is that it's really hot. It also has a liner. So there's the, might as well have the best Filson right there. And then this one is 100% cotton. This is a cotton material, this wax canvas material. And this one's made in USA. So I'm not sure if you can see that. Maybe it's coming up in the camera. So I'm not sure if they're still making this hat in USA. I know a lot of the Filson stuff, like I've talked about in some of my Filson jacket reviews. But this one, because I bought it like 15, 16 years ago. And so the lining is pretty toasty warm. So it's got a synthetic lining in here. And then just the wax canvas as well. It's hot. It's a hot hat. So summertime, definitely not. But again, it's not for summertime. This is more of a fall, winter, maybe early spring, and it depends on where you live and the temperatures and things. So, but it's waterproof. You can re-wax this material. And washing these things, you don't put these things in the washing machine or kind of like the jackets. You get some warm soapy water and a nice bristled brush, and you get it and you start scrubbing it, and you're scrubbing it, cleaning it, and then just wiping it off, right, and letting it air dry. So, but the brim is really firm and stiff. You can kind of curl it up, kind of cowboy style. You can make it all flat right there. You can shape the front a little bit, right? It's not a cowboy hat, but you can kind of shape it kind of how you want it. But I like it. And you know, definitely it's an outdoorsy kind of hat, not something that I wear, you know, just going to my kid's school and wearing this kind of hat, right? I feel like Farmer Joe or something. I don't know if that's a thing, Farmer Joe, but you get the idea. It's a great hat. I highly recommend it. You can't go wrong with Filson. You guys know it's going to outlast you, and it'll be passed down to your kids and maybe even their kids. So If you got a couple things from the video that's going to help in yay or nay your purchasing decision, awesome. That's kind of the point of these videos, is to, I love being outdoors. I love sharing my knowledge with you guys. It's fun interacting with you guys in the comment section. So, you know, we're growing the channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I think we just surpassed over like 500 subscriptions. So that's because of you guys. We appreciate it. And our next milestone will be 1,000. So we're shooting for 1,000, and things are going good. Well, we'll see you guys on the trail in the next one, and thanks for stopping by.